I wanted to show you a few useful settings. First thing is, go to the settings and workspace settings. You can activate your personal workspace layout, which is also available on the free plan, and this will ensure we use only the useful settings for an individual user. If you're an individual user and you don't have a team, so all the team's features are hidden if you enable this one. Now the next thing is to activate the two-factor authentication if not already done. This is available from your user level settings and then my settings page. So this is suggested as an additional layer of security to keep your account secure, and you can do this from here. And lastly, I'm a big fan of backups. So if you ever wanted to export all of your spaces, lists, tasks, checklists to CSV format, you can do so from here. Just go to settings, workspace level, and then import export option, and then click on start export. This should give you the CSV export of all your data from ClickUp.